multiplication table of 7. Today we will learn the multiplication table of 7. Today is Sunday and Ayushman is very happy because every Sunday he goes for an outing with his parents. Papa and Ayushman are ready to go out and are waiting for Mummy. By the time Mummy gets ready, Papa thinks of teaching something new to Ayushman. He asks Ayushman, "What is the date today?" Ayushman waits the whole week for Sunday. So it is easy for him to remember that today the date is 7th and the day is Sunday. Ayushman's father asked one more question. If today the date is 7th and the day Sunday, which will be the date on next Sunday? This can be answered immediately by looking at the calendar. Thinking this, Ayushman gets up to bring the calendar. But Papa wants Ayushman to tell next Sunday's date without looking at the calendar. Can you help Ayushman get the answer? Ayushman knows that there are 7 days in a week. So, if 7 is added to today's date, 7th, then next Sunday's date will be easily known. If we add 7 to date 7th, the answer will be 14. Ayushman has found out that next Sunday the date will be 14th. Papa complimented Ayushman and further asked what date would it be on the following Sunday after 14th. Ayushman has understood how to find the answer. He has to add 7 to 14. For this, he again picks up paper and pen. But Papa stops him. He wants Ayushman to answer this question without paper and pen. Can you help Ayushman? Ayushman has understood that just like he added 7 to the date 7th to find the date of next Sunday 14th, similarly by adding 7 to 14, he will get the date of the following Sunday. Suddenly Ayushman remembered that he had done such a calculation earlier too. Do you remember where we did this kind of calculation first? You are absolutely right. We have done this kind of calculation while learning multiplication tables. So is this also a table? Oh yes, this is the multiplication table of 7. Its first number is 7. We added 7 to it and got the next number. By further adding 7 to it, we will find the subsequent number. I wish I could remember the table of 7. I would have been able to tell next Sunday's date without the help of paper and pen. Ayushman is thinking. Papa asked why he was unable to answer. Ayushman explained that the first Sunday is 7 multiplied by 1. That is 7th. The second Sunday is 7 multiplied by 2. That is 14th. So the third Sunday's date will be 7 multiplied by 3. But I do not know the multiplication table of 7. So without paper and pen, I cannot answer this question. Papa understood Ayushman's problem and asked him if he knows the multiplication table of 3. Ayushman tells Papa that he knows the multiplication table of 3. Then you can easily find what 7 multiplied by 3 is, Papa said to Ayushman. Ayushman started thinking, if I know the multiplication table of 3, how can I find the answer to 7 multiplied by 3? Papa told Ayushman that the answer to 7 multiplied by 3 would be the same as 3 multiplied by 7. Ayushman is even more confused now about how this was possible. Papa explained to Ayushman that if he makes 7 groups of 3 tomatoes each, then to find the total number of tomatoes, he can multiply 3 by 7 and find that there are 21 tomatoes. If we put these 21 tomatoes in 3 equal groups, then there will be 7 tomatoes in each group. Now observe that the number of tomatoes are still 21, but there are 7 tomatoes in one group and the total number of groups are 3. This means that whether 3 is multiplied by 7 or 7 is multiplied by 3, the answer will be 21. Ayushman understood how he could find 7 multiplied by 3 from a multiplication table of 3. If 3 multiplied by 7 is 21, then 7 multiplied by 3 will also be 21. This means that the date on the following Sunday after the 14th will be 21st. Ayushman gave the exact date of Sunday without paper and pen. Papa is now confident that Ayushman will be able to tell the date of the Sunday after 21st without paper and pen. Can you tell what the date will be on the following Sunday after 21st? Pause this video for a while and try to find out. To find the date of the Sunday after 21st, Ayushman has to find the next number in the multiplication table of 7, that is 7 multiplied by 4. Ayushman does not know the multiplication table of 7, but he knows the multiplication table of 4. 4 multiplied 7 is 28. So this means 7 multiplied by 4 will also be 28. This means that the Sunday after 21st will be on 28th. Now Ayushman knows that he will be going out on dates 7th, 14th, 21st and 28th of this month. Hey, Mummy is also ready. Now Ayushman, Papa and Mummy are going to go out. But we will write the complete multiplication table of 7 and memorize it. So, how much is 7 multiplied by 5? You are absolutely right that 7 multiplied by 5 would be the same as 5 multiplied by 7, which is 35. The next number in the multiplication table of 7 is 7 multiplied by 6, which is same as 6 multiplied 7, which is 42. Now let's find out 7 multiplied by 7. But we don't know the multiplication table of 7. No problem. We will find the complete multiplication table of 7 using the old method of number line, in which we see that the 7th number after 42 is 49. 7 multiplied by 8 will be the 7th number after 49, that is 56. 7 multiplied by 9 will be the 7th number after 56, that is 63. And to know 7 multiplied by 10, we will find the 7th number after 63, which is 70. Now, you have written the complete table of 7. Let's memorize it by singing. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Today you learned that whether you multiply 7 by 3 or 3 by 7, the answer will be 21. That means when two numbers have to be multiplied, they can be written in any order. The answer will be the same. We also learned the multiplication table of 7. Now write 7's multiplication table and memorize it by singing.